Hello, welcome back to GSM Tips. Today I will show you how to hard reset your Samsung A13. So for this one, plug the USB cable in straight into a computer or a laptop. Hold down the volume down button and the power button both together till the phone goes off. When the phone goes off, go quickly and hold down the volume up button and the power button for a few seconds. After the Samsung logo, just release the power button but keep holding the volume up, and it should take you to recovery mode. If it doesn't work, just repeat the procedure. Select from here using the keys wipe data factory reset, confirm using the power button, once again factory reset, reconfirm with the power button, and you're all done. From here you can just activate your phone and start using it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.